Hello traders, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to be talking about the Gold 1 expert advisor for MT4 and MT5, and this one is marketed as a specialized gold robot for XAUUSD on the 1-hour chart. Sellers promise big profits with no greed, no martingale, and smart adaptive stops. But does it actually deliver? Let's break it down honestly in this video, so ensure you watch until the end. I had the opportunity to run my own backtest and everything is detailed in this video, so ensure you watch it until the end. But before we dive into today's expert advisor, we have a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in, and you can get it for free by using the link in the description below, so ensure you check it out. It's actually worth it. Now, without wasting any much of your time, we're talking about the Gold 1 expert advisor. It's also available on MetaTrader 4. This is the link to it, and it goes for just $349. It was developed by Habib Golamali, and it has 56 reviews on the MT4 community. I have lots of impressions here from different people who have used it, who have used this expert advisor. We also have a rating of 2.79 out of 5, and that is on average. That is on the average, not on the high side. And let's look into what this robot is made of. According to this page, the MT5 page, Gold 1 uses the latest cutting-edge gold specific indicators, according to what they say, to find precise buy and sell points on XAUUSD. It runs fully automated on the 1 hour, and each trade is protected by a stop loss, and both TP and SL can be adjusted based on market conditions. They highlight that it's ideal for prop firms, it works on small accounts, and actually works on all account sizes, including low capital, from $500 actually and above, and they recommend low spread brokers plus a VPS. Yeah, there's no complicated settings, just drop it on the 1 hour on XAUUSD and let it run. Developer shows impressive 8-year backtest with over 61,000 profits on a $10,000 account, nearly 3.0 profit factor, and profit factor is actually 2.96, and actually 61 million, not 61,000, 61 million profit from a $10,000 account, and this was over the span of 8 years. This is their equity curve. This is how the equity curve looks like, and they also had a 80% win rate and very controlled drawdown according to the backtest. Long trade wins about 81% and shorts just 79%. Also, it looks clean on paper with steady equity growth, and all of this is shown in their screenshots. We also have profits and losses by hours, profits and losses by weekday, so they're kind of transparent with what they show on their page, and it's commendable. At least they are transparent about their system and the expert advisor, but I don't really get a clear view of what it is based on, what the expert advisor is built on. They just paint it as using specific indicators, but we don't really get the whole mechanism behind it. So you just know it trades on gold on the 1 hour chart, and it's been marketed that it uses cutting edge gold specific indicators to find precise buy and sell points. Gold specific indicators, this is just all we have for the mechanism of this expert advisor. The marketed feature is fully automated. There's no grid, there's no martingale, and it's adaptive, and it also has this trade management. has this easy one chart setup. They push it for all account sizes and prop challenges, and settings are mostly default friendly with mentions of trailing stops and risk controls. I had the opportunity to run my own backtest using the every tick data from April 2025 to April 2026 on a $10,000 deposit, and this is my settings for the Gold One Expert Advisor backtest. And the equity curve is mostly steady upward with some flat periods and a couple noticeable dips around here. Around late 2025, November 2025 to December, we had this couple dips here. Also, it's down to early 2026. Nothing catastrophic, but just real trading, and exactly realistic trading is not always expected to be a straight upward line. It can also have some periods of dips, which is exactly what we are seeing here on towards the end of 2025 and early 2026. It ended with about 801 profit in 1 year. Out of 258 trades, we had 801 total profits. I'd say 800.77, but just rounding up to the nearest. And profit factor is 1.35. Max drawdowns around 4%, which is all right, it's manageable. And also on balance, we're looking at 4.36%. And win rate came in at 73.6% overall. We have 258 total trades. This is it, 73.64%. And compared to developers' huge long-term numbers, this is much more modest, and it's typical for gold expert advisors. It looks amazing over many years, but in this recent period, it's grinding smaller gains. The input shows ATR trailing, optional martingale recovery, and you can use slow martingale option, set recovery, but all of this is optional, and I didn't set it in my backtest. So remember, using martingale is risky. Martingale is a risky strategy, so if you happen to turn on the martingale option, you should expect some multiple trades opened trying to recover from losing positions. So I didn't set it on mine, and this is actually the default. I didn't set anything, I just used the default, and on the default it's just false. If you want martingale, you can set it here. You can also set the percent recovery, you can set the max percent of the initial lot of the martingale, and everything is here. You can set up your input to your preferences, and all of these are the settings that actually matter. The curve proves it can handle trending moves but gets chopped in sideways action, and over the past year gold has actually been in an uptrend, so it goes to explain the steady rise and the steady upward movement of the equity curve. My verdict about this expert advisor is that it's a focused gold trader with decent risk management if you keep martingale off, and that is very important. If you keep the martingale option off, just like I did in my backtest, then you can be sure to trade with this and get similar results just like my backtest. The thing is, gold is volatile, news can mess with it, and spreads matter a lot. It's best for traders who specifically want XAUUSD exposure, can run it on a low spread account and have patience for steady rather than explosive results. Avoid it if you're risk averse or expect the monster backtest numbers every month. Yeah, as you've seen the results which it can produce from my 1 year backtest. If you like real expert advisor reviews like this one, smash the like button and subscribe, turn on notifications, and drop in the comments which expert advisor you want me to test next. And don't forget to grab that free Forex robot from the description. Trade safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video.